Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, April 15th, 2010. This morning I'm doing a screencast somewhat inspired by this screencast that I watched yesterday about web application development, where a fellow at NASA JPL was comparing various web frameworks, J2EE, Zope, TurboGears, and a couple of other things, including Ruby on Rails, to see how fast he could build web applications. And his complaint seemed to be that doing this in Java for web development was a little slow, and he was looking for an alternative. One thing he didn't look at was Smalltalk, probably because it didn't really cross his mind, so I thought I'd bring that up and show how easy that is. So let's go here to WebVelocity. We'll create a new application, and we'll just call this Hello World. So we're doing a simple application that doesn't need a database. We don't need a schema, so we'll hit OK on that. Now we've got the basic application configured for us, but we do need to have a class that will display things. We're going to create a component. Now once I have the component, I need to give that a name, so I'll call this Hello World as well. Registered as an application, don't need database. Glorp is our database framework, and I don't need a template, so I'll go ahead and hit OK. And now all I really need, well, I don't even need that. Let's go to Browse, Hello World. It's going to come up blank, and that's because I haven't told it to do anything, but it is working. So let's go back over here, and we'll go to the source code. And now we want it to actually render a Hello World piece of text out there. So we'll come to our render content on, and what I want to do is take this and uncomment this line of code here, go and uncomment that dash there, and then I'm going to take this self-class name as string, this is Smalltalk code, and I'm going to put in instead Hello World with the end tick. Notice how I don't need to compile it, it's already compiled for me. I can come back over to this tab, do a refresh, and there it is. And if I wanted to continue on, so I wanted to go back over here, take two, I'll come back over here, refresh, and it works. So no configuration files, no editing of XML, very quick, very easy, very responsive, and very reactive. I can work back and forth between tabs in the browser, work on the code, work on the actual view and see what it looks like, back, forth, very easy. I'll try to take on the version using the data model with the time tracker tomorrow, but until then, have fun with Smalltalk.